In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unshare multiple files from one user in Google Drive using a manual method via the web interface. This is particularly useful if you need to quickly manage your file sharing settings for various documents you own. To get started, you'll want to open Google Drive in your web browser. Use the search bar at the top to find all the files that are shared with the specific user from whom you wish to revoke access. You can do this by typing in to their.email@domain.com owner.me in the search bar, replacing their.email@domain.com with the actual email address of the user. This query helps you filter out all the files you own that are currently shared with that person. Once the search results appear, you need to select the files you want to modify. If you wish to select a contiguous range of files, you can click on the first file, hold down the Shift key, and then click the last file in the range. If your files are scattered throughout, you can hold down the Control key on a Windows computer or the Command key on a Mac, and click each file you want to include. This gives you the flexibility to choose exactly the files you want to adjust all at once. After you've selected your files, right-click on any of the highlighted files. A menu will pop up, and from here, you should click on Share or Share and Manage Access, depending on what your interface shows. This will open up the sharing dialog, where you'll see a list of emails and access privileges for each person the files are shared with. In the sharing dialog, look for the specific user you wish to remove and simply click the X that appears next to their name. This action will revoke their access to all the selected files at once. Make sure to click Save or Done to confirm the changes and effectively remove this user's access. Now, it's important to keep in mind that for this method to work, you need to be the owner of the files or have the necessary permissions to change sharing settings. If the files reside in a shared drive, or if there are inherited permissions, you may encounter limitations in removing access in the same way. For a more efficient process, try to fine-tune your search query to specifically target only those files you own and have shared with this user to streamline the unsharing process. This ensures that you can systematically and comprehensively manage your file permissions without any hitches. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out.